If you're looking to elevate your cooking game with high-quality, toxin-free, and aesthetically pleasing cookware, this Greenpan Reserve Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 3-Piece Frying Pan Skillet Set is your ideal choice. Designed to make every meal a masterpiece, this set combines durability, performance, and style in one stunning package. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, these frying pans are the perfect tools to create healthier and tastier dishes. Key features of the Greenpan Reserve 3-Piece Frying Pan Set. 1. A complete cooking solution. This set includes 3 frying pans in versatile sizes. 8-inch pan, ideal for small portions like omelets or sautéed veggies. 10-inch pan, perfect for mid-sized meals such as pancakes or grilled chicken. 12-inch pan, great for family-sized dishes like stir-fries or one-pan pasta. These sizes cover all your cooking needs, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing an elaborate dinner. 2. Hard anodized duo-forged construction. The pans are made using duo-forged hard anodized aluminum, a process that ensures they are extra tough and highly resistant to scratches. This construction promotes even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. Thermalon Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Coating. What sets the Greenpan Reserve apart is its diamond-infused Thermalon ceramic non-stick coating. Here's why it's exceptional. Metal utensil safe. No need to worry about scratching the surface. Toxin-free. Free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making your meals healthier. High heat responsiveness. The coating ensures even cooking at lower temperatures, saving energy and preserving nutrients. This non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning effortless, reducing the need for excess oil or butter. 4. Stylish gold tone handles. The gold tone stainless steel handles not only enhance the visual appeal of the pans, but also provide a sturdy grip. Their matte finish ensures a secure hold, even when moving the pans from stovetop to oven. 5. High heat resistance. These pans are oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for recipes requiring stovetop to oven transitions, such as searing steaks or baking frittatas. 6. Easy cleanup. While the pans are dishwasher safe, most messes can be wiped clean with minimal effort. The durable non-stick coating ensures that even sticky foods like melted cheese or caramelized sugar slide off easily. 7. Compatibility. Suitable for all stovetops except induction, these pans offer versatility in any kitchen setup. What makes the Greenpan Reserve a must-have? Health-conscious cooking. The absence of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium ensures your meals are as healthy as possible. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, the Greenpan Reserve will not release toxic fumes, even when overheated. Long-lasting durability. The diamond-infused coating and hard anodized body provide unmatched durability. These pans are built to withstand the demands of daily cooking, retaining their performance and appearance over time. Elegant design. The sleek black finish paired with gold tone handles gives these pans a luxurious look that complements any kitchen decor. They're not just cookware, they're a statement piece. Effortless maintenance. Cooking can be messy, but cleaning up doesn't have to be. The non-stick surface and dishwasher-safe design make cleanup a breeze, giving you more time to enjoy your meals. Exceptional versatility. From frying eggs to creating elaborate one-pan dishes, this set is designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks. Its compatibility with various stovetops and oven safety adds to its versatility. Who is this pan set for? The Greenpan Reserve 3-Piece Frying Pan Set is perfect for health-conscious cooks who prioritize toxin-free cookware, busy individuals who need durable, easy-to-clean pans, home chefs looking for versatile and aesthetically pleasing cookware, anyone who enjoys oven-to-table cooking. Final verdict. This Greenpan Reserve Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 3-Piece Frying Pan Skillet Set is a true game-changer in the world of cookware. It offers a winning combination of health-conscious materials, exceptional performance, and elegant design. While it may be priced higher than traditional pans, the investment is worth it for the quality, safety, and versatility you'll receive. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this pan set will elevate your cooking experience. If you're ready to make a smart upgrade in your kitchen, this is the cookware set for you. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.